The biggest mistakes I see founders make, especially technical ones, is jumping into code before they have validated the problem. You start building dashboards, authentications, billing logic, and then after weeks of work, you realize no one is actually waiting for your product. This video is all about avoiding that trap. I'll walk you through how to validate a micro SaaS idea before writing any code. Using real-world tactics I have used myself and with dozens of SaaS founders I have coached. This is part of the Micro SaaS Playbook series. So if you are following along and you are planning to build something lean, profitable and focused, make sure you hit that subscribe button. There's a lot more coming. In Micro SaaS, time is your biggest asset. And time spent building the wrong thing is the fastest way to burn out. Validation isn't about running ads or polling Twitter. It's about learning whether someone cares enough about a specific problem to try a new solution and ideally commit to paying for it. When I work with founders, we treat validation as the first real milestone. Because once you have validated the demand, the product development becomes execution, not guesswork. So here are the steps you need to follow. Step number 1, start with the problem, not the product. You do not validate features. You validate pain. Instead of brainstorming product ideas, spend time listening. Join Slack communities, niche subreddits, Twitter conversations, even comment threads on YouTube. Look for workflows people complain about or hack together with spreadsheets and Zapier. You are trying to hear words like, I hate this, or this takes me hours every week, or I'm doing this manually right now. That's what real monetizable pain sounds like. Once you have found a recurring frustration, document it. Write it as a hypothesis. Like, if I help X audience solve Y problem, Z number of people will show interest. Step number 2, build a landing page that takes the hypothesis. You do not need a product yet, but you do need a message. Set up a simple landing page. Use card, type dream, or framework. Focus the copy on the problem and the promise. No fluff, no buzzwords. One headline, one explanation, and one call to action. So here's the basic structure I use. Headline, what outcome the product creates. Sub-headline, who is it for and what pain it solves. And then visual, mock-up or workflow sketch, can be from Figma. And then a CTA, join waitlist or request early access. This isn't about converting thousands of users. You are trying to see if your message resonates enough to people take action without seeing a working product. Step number 3, share it where the right people will see it. Post the page where your potential users already hang out. If your idea helps Notion consultants manage clients, post in a Notion community. If you are solving something for therapists, go to therapist Facebook groups or subreddits. Start with a genuine question or story. Something like, I have been working with freelancers who struggle to send proposals fast. Curious how you all handle that today. See, you are not selling. You are learning. Every comment, every DM, every follow-up gives you language and positioning feedback. And the people who reply, those are the ones your first interview leads. Step number 4, talk to 5 to 10 potential users. DM the people who showed interest. Ask for a 10 to 15 minutes call. And what do you want to learn? How are they solving this problem today? What frustrates them most about their current process? What would a done well look like? What would make them pay for a solution? Record the calls if they are okay with it. Tools like Otter.ai or Notion can help you summarize. And at this stage, please do not pitch. Don't ask, would you use this? Ask how they decide what to pay for. Ask what's missing in the tools they are already using. This is your signal data. And if they are asking when can I try it, you are on the right path. Step number 5, look for real commitment, not compliments. Here is what most founders misread the signals. Compliments are free. Commitment costs attention, time, and money. So validation is when people join your waitlist organically. Users ask to try it even if it is not built yet. You offer a pre-order and get real transactions. Or you share a Figma prototype and they request a feature. If you can get 5 to 10 people you have never met to commit to using or paying for your idea before it exists, that is validation. And the truth is, if you cannot sell the vision, you will not be able to sell the product. So guys, if you are building a micro SaaS, your first job is not to ship fast. It is to learn fast. When you validate the pain early, every decision you make after that has context. Your onboarding, your pricing, your messaging, they all become clearer. I have helped founders go from idea to first MRR using the exact same approach. No code, no engineers, just insight, clarity, and structured learning. In the next video, I'll walk through how I define and scope the first version of a micro SaaS MVP, what features to skip, what outcome to focus on, and how to launch faster than you think. So if that is something you are ready to act on, please make sure you are subscribed. If you are validating something right now, please drop it in the comments. I'll reply with suggestions on how to test it better. Thank you.